Hello everyone, welcome to Geek and Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your MacBook 5 times faster just by making few clicks. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and like the video. First of all, you need to open Finder and then click on the Go available at the top and then navigate to Go to Folder and click on it. When this pop-up opens up, after your username, you need to type library, then caches. Before hitting the return key, make sure it should look like this. This will open the folder containing all the unnecessary files on your Mac. Select all by pressing Command+A key shortcut and then click on the down arrow icon on the top and select Move to Bin. After that, open bin and click empty. And that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not. Thanks for watching.